Welcome to the ALGO-CRM feature playlist. In this video, we will see Google integration. First, we will start from the company page where we need to select a company. I am selecting Arihant Solution 2. Now we are on the dashboard of ALGO-CRM. With Google integration, we can easily create inquiries through Google Forms. For this, go to the left menu panel, click on Administration, and then select Plugin Registration. This feature is accessible only to the owner or co-owner. Here, you will see the Google plugin option, which is currently inactive. To activate it, I will click on Google plugin and a form will open. In this form, we need to enter the executive details. The executive created here will be used only for managing Google integrations and won't be visible in the executive master. Now, I will create the executive. In the executive name field, I will enter Google integration. In the department field, I will select sales from the drop-down. Next, in the role field, I will choose HOD. And in the reports to field, I will select the person this executive will report to here. I am selecting Anjali Jain. Now, I will click on Generate API Credentials. After submitting, it will redirect to Google Plugin Configuration page, and a message will appear. Configuration successful. Save these credentials securely. Here, we will get the API key and Webhook URL. We need to provide these details to the users who want to use Google integration. By using these URLs in their Google Ads form, they can integrate it with ALGO-CRM. With the help of the Google form, enquiries will be created automatically, and they will be displayed in ALGO-CRM. Now, I will close the configuration. After this, the Google plugin option will be displayed as active. Through Google plugin, we can create only enquiry records in ALGO-CRM. Since the field names in Google Ads and ALGO-CRM may differ, we will now understand how the field mapping is configured between them. For this, we will go to the left menu panel, click on Administration, then select Configuration, and after that click on Integration Mapping. On the left side, in the Integration Mapping menu, we will see two options, Google Lead Mapping and IndiaMart Mapping. From these options, I will select Google Lead Mapping. On the right side, we will see all the fields. Here, we will understand how the mapping is done between Google Ads and ALGO-CRM. We will go through each field one by one and see how it is linked in ALGO-CRM. In the mapping section, the fields on the left side are related to the Google form, and the fields on the right side are related to ALGO-CRM. Here, we have the CRM field option, through which we can select the fields from the ALGO-CRM enquiry form. In the CRM field drop-down, both default and custom enquiry form fields will be displayed. Now, we will start with the first field. To map the company name field, we will click on the CRM field drop-down and select the relevant field from ALGO-CRM. Here, I am mapping company name with the organization field. Next, we have the user phone field. This field can be mapped with the mobile number field. Here, I am mapping it with the phone number field of the contact form. For this, I will select phone number from the CRM field drop-down. Next, we will map the user email field. I am mapping it with the email field of the contact form. Next, we have the city field, which I am mapping with the city field of the contact form. And for the country field, I am mapping it with the country field of the contact form. The next field is full name. This field can be linked with the contact person field in the enquiry form. So, I will select contact person in the CRM field drop-down. The next three fields are related to the address, street address, postal code, and region. These fields can be mapped with the contact form fields in ALGO-CRM. Street address can be linked to address line 1. Postal code can be linked with the PIN code field. and the region field can be linked with the state field. Here, the fields that are mandatory for enquiry creation must be mapped properly. For example, fields like contact person and enquiry description are mandatory for creating an enquiry, so these fields must be available here. Only then the enquiry will be created successfully. In the above mappings, no field is currently linked with the enquiry description field. For that, we can add a custom field. Above all the fields, we get the option to add a custom field. Here, we need to enter the field name that will be used in the Google form. In the Add Custom Google Field option, I am entering description. After that, I will click on the Add Field button. Now, this created field will be displayed at the end of the list. Currently, it will show as pending because we have not mapped it yet. Now, I will map this field with the enquiry description field. After mapping, the field status will display mapped instead of pending. We can also delete custom fields according to our requirements. After completing the mapping, I will submit Google Lead Mapping by clicking on the Submit button. Google integration feature helps automatically create enquiries in ALGO-CRM through Google Forms. With proper field mapping, all enquiry details are accurately synced from Google Forms to ALGO-CRM, reducing manual work and saving time. Overall, this integration helps manage leads more efficiently and ensures that enquiry data is captured smoothly without missing any information. Thank you.